I just saw it. देख के बोला मैंने. He's like अभी तेरी वाट लगाऊंगा. अपना भी राब्ता है. Yeah.
Good afternoon. This film is about an unexplainable connect, and I've had it with this script for a very long time. I couldn't understand why. And along the way, I've been very fortunate to meet a lot of people who've gone way beyond what their job entails to help even this trailer come through. You guys know who you all are. Thank you very much. I've been around for 12 years in this business making films, and this is the first time my mother's here. Thank you so much for being there always. There was a time when I didn't know whether I would make this film. I thought maybe I shouldn't make this film, and you know how we all doubt ourselves. And at that point of time, we did a small test with Sushant and Kriti. And in that room, there was this energy, and they almost made the scene, the first scene, they kind of meet in a chocolate shop, they made that scene come alive. And thank you to both of them, because they kind of gave me the confidence, and I said, yes, this film is about this very energy that the two of them share, and they were meeting for the first time. So from my mind to Shiv and Saira, to Sushant and Kriti, I'd like to call, without any further ado, my lead cast, Sushant Singh Rajput and Kriti Sanon.
Woo.
Yeah. You all want to say something? You should talk about your connects, and let's get that out of the way only. The big screen off, just say it all.
Zabardasti. No, but I really want to say that I truly believe that sometimes, you know, when you meet some people, you really connect with them much more than you connect with the others. You tend to have long conversations without even knowing each other. So that unexplainable connect, that rabta, which can be with anyone, is something that I truly connected with. And I remember meeting, so whenever I've met Dinu, I've usually met him for some other film, and he's narrated me some other film. And that's what happened. I had met him for something else, where he started narrating me Rabta unknowingly, when he was not even sure whether he was making it or not. And he just loved that story. And I went back home, and after like, it stayed with me for 2 days, and I just messaged him that, listen, that story that you told me in that meeting, why aren't you making that? I really want to do that. And then he called me back again, and I met Sushant for the first time. And he was like this surprise in that meeting, because I didn't know he was coming. And no, I didn't know. And we did this scene, which, you know, usually when you're meeting someone for the first time, in one go or two go, you're still saying your lines and all. But in the third take, I think something happened where we started completing each other's lines. And I felt there, it sort of came a little alive. And I really feel that I was meant to be a part of Rabta. And I had already this some Rabta with Rabta.
I remember meeting Dinu, I think it was 2.5 years back, and I'm a selfish actor, so I just think about if I have to invest 6-7 months of my life, the script needs to be, I mean, like, it should excite me to great level. And I remember that meeting when we were discussing films. We discussed around four films, 4 scripts, and this was a film that he was not offering me, and it's kind of, it got stuck, and I read the script. I could not let it out of my head, although there are things in the film that personally I don't believe in, but the script was so well written, and the way Dinu narrated, I wanted to believe in all those things. So yeah, so if you, great time reading the script, building the character, and then experiencing shooting the film. And I hope you guys, when you watch the film, have the same wonderful experience. Thank you.
So this film would be incomplete without, I think I have some sort of connection. My godfather is Parsi, a good friend of mine is Parsi, and this, he's Parsi and he knows it. And I think he has made me explore my own dark side that I didn't know. Ladies and gentlemen, Zach as Jim Saab.
Say something. Say things. Yeah, hey, wait, why am I not on the poster?
You're special. We've discussed this. We had to hide you.
I'm the hidden secret. Y'all didn't notice me in the trailer.
Infinity sign.
No, I understand. I don't know.
You can wait.
I went in, I did an audition. I don't think I did it the way it was written. I did it a bit weird, you know? Which I think actually was how it was written, but that wasn't the brief we were getting. I don't know exactly what the deal was.
Making a lot of sense.
I was doing some things, and then I guess they liked it, so now I'm in the film.
Okay, I'd like to introduce, so I found a new partner during this film in terms of who has the same passion for music. The advantage was with this time I was directing, so I needed support, and these two gentlemen really supported me. One for any crazy thing I want. The other guy was, when he first directed, it was I was a first-time producer. It's strange that this time he's a first-time producer and I'm a first-time director. My really good friend and Maddox's new producer, Homia Dajania and Bhushan Kumar.
Why am I not on the poster?
The stage is a little small.
Your name is there. We are very excited at T-Series to produce this film. And as Dino rightly said, our passion is same. Means he loves music. I've done his music for his films, Cocktail and Agent Vinod, which did very well in terms of music. So we wanted to collaborate for films, and I still remember the day when I went to him, he showed me the poster, the first poster of Raabta. And I guess from that day, our Raabta has begun. So we are very, very excited about it and hoped more movies with the same banner in the same collaboration. Thank you.
Also would like to invite on stage the rock star, Mr. Krishan Kumar, who's also the producer. Give it up for him, ladies and gentlemen. And the co-producers, Poonam Shivdasani and Priya Gupta. And President T-Series Marketing, Mr. Vinod Bhanushali, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for them. And we'll have a quick photo op. सबसे पहले द कैप्टन ऑफ द शिप दीनू आपके लिए ये सवाल है डेब्यू पहली बार कर रहे हैं एज अ डायरेक्टर सो वर यू नॉट कीन टू डायरेक्ट क्योंकि पहले तो भी कोई रोक नहीं सकता था आपका बैट आपका बॉल मैं नहीं खेल रहा what took
actually you know 10-12 years back when I started I didn't even know that I had a it's all Sushant but I didn't even know I had a creative bone in me and I think sometimes they say the stories choose you so I remember Cocktail had gotten over and I had disconnected and gone away and I was at a chocolate shop and this scene came to me of a girl and guy meeting and I started developing it I was in my own head not even telling people I was putting it together I met Siddharth and Garima who are my who have written this film and they got what I was thinking and I think I really painstakingly worked them for a year and a half to get a script and it just happened I don't know when how where it just honestly just happened
Bhushan ji this one's for you talking about content driven cinema Maddox की बात कर रहे हैं T-Series की बात कर रहे हैं हिंदी मीडियम नूर राब्ता so please your views on the same
see as I told you means Dino has passion for films, cinema from long, and he always used to tell me whenever I used to discuss with him that our film should have some connect, some reality-based things to it which people can connect to. Sure. So that is the thing which got us connected. Both passion for making the content-driven cinema, right. Which is very in these days. Everybody wants to see films which are connected to their lives or some real life incidents and all. So that's the connect, and that's why we are together with. And obviously, the music is the main passion which we both share.
Right. Thank you so much. Sushant, this one's for you. ट्रेलर में हमने देखा शुरू में ही कृति ने ऐसा कुछ चीज़ी बोल दिया कि भाई तुम तो यार चीज़ी का सहारा ले रहे हो. So was it रियल लाइफ में कभी ऐसा चीज़ी डायलॉग्स चिपकाने पड़े? वो was it your good looks की काम हो जाता था?
नहीं क्या क्या जिस तरीके का कैरेक्टर शिव का है, बहुत कम ऐसे मौके मिलते थे मुझे अपनी लाइफ में जब मैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ बाहर जाता हूँ रात को और फिर हम लोग मज़े करते हैं. तो मैं अपने बहुत कम ऐसे मौके होते हैं जब मैं अपने आप को बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग साउंड कर रहा होता हूँ और आई वॉन्ट टू होल्ड ऑन टू दैट कैरेक्टर, लेकिन वो सुबह सुबह फिर चला जाता है. तो आई यूज टू मिस माई दैट पार्ट ऑफ माई सेल्फ, बट शिव इज एग्जैक्टली दैट. So here was an opportunity to be my interesting self for 6-7 months at a stretch, and I was getting paid for it. So that was a great thing.
Yeah, please.
So when we started shooting, much before that, so Shiv talks a lot about himself, is in love with himself. Also Maro's a lot of cheesy lines. So this guy had already started doing that, and I was like, you know, you're really like Shiv. So he's like, no. दिस इज नॉट मी, मैं शिव बनने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, मैं कैरेक्टर में घुस रहा हूँ. पिक्चर खत्म हो चुकी है, 1 साल हो चुका है, लेकिन अभी भी ये कैरेक्टर में ही है. सो दैट इज एग्जैक्टली हिम. एंड ये आई थिंक probably this was one character that he played which was so him, and he used to just tell us that no, I'm just getting to the method of it.
So, and you're making chocolates in this, right?
Yes, I make chocolates.
Right. So did you find your way into his heart through chocolates? ऐसा chocolates बना के कुछ ऐसा in the movie?
You just have to show chocolate. That's all.
Really?
Like he's this. So the way he reacts to ice creams, chocolates, and little babies is the same.
Okay.
Like that.
So now you know the secret, guys, huh?
The easiest thing to pataw him, or if you want him to just like you and not be like mean to you or whatever, is to give him chocolates and ice creams.
Chocolates, ice creams, and bachas. वो बोला. Not.
But that you can.
Okay, cut it. किसी ने कुछ नहीं सुना. Jim, this one's for you. इससे पहले we've seen you play this terrorist का character, and people just loved you. Here you playing this stylish character. Please tell us something about that. एकदम ये transformation from a terrorist to this stylish guy.
Well, I wasn't actually a terrorist. Like I dress like this.
Okay, in
so
real
it
life.
wasn't a transformation.
So you're very stylish, you mean to say.
I mean, I have clothes.
Terrorists also wear clothes.
Yeah, but terrorists, I only
They wear
want one.
different clothes.
Yeah, I only want one outfit in the.
Okay, talking about your character in this movie.
He's a rich guy. He's a rich guy. He's cool.
You love playing that.
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if I love anything. I like the other one as well. He's a rich guy. He has lots of money to spend. He handpicks all of his stuff. He's like that.
We got it, right? We got it. So I'm sure.
Yeah, I answered your question.
Yeah, he did.
You want to know more about my character in general?
They would love to know, and I'll also, be a part of the conversation.
I think he's a guy who knows exactly what he wants and has all of the resources at his disposal to go and get it.
All right. With that, ladies and gentlemen, it's over to you. I know you have a lot of questions. So, G, please.
Dinesh. You can keep it. Yeah. Dinesh, here, on your right.
Yeah.
Hi. How was the experience directing Sushant and Kriti? Especially since Sushant is he's a method actor and it's your debut film, so.
Actually, I tried to get the method out of him, for which we fed him a lot of chocolates. We distracted him with a lot of things. The first day he's such a good student. He came with 6 pages of his entire character ka sketch, where it started, and then I said, "Isko chhod dete thero time." And my entire intent with this character was I knew there's a little bit of Shiv in him, and then I realized it's a lot of Shiv in him actually. He just hides it, and I wanted to bring that out. And I think it was the thing is we spent a lot of time together before we started the movie. So we were for 2 months workshopping, and I think they knew the script as well as I did. And it was a very collaborative process where when we were on set, we actually shot this film very quickly. I think we did about 60, 61 days. That's also because my elder sister is the production head and she feels that I spend too much money, so she was kind of... But it was very easy. It was a lot of fun.
हाय सुशांत, मेरा नाम आलोक है, आपके लेफ्ट में। सवाल है, ऑन स्क्रीन केमिस्ट्री हमने देखी, ऑफ स्क्रीन केमिस्ट्री कैसी है आपकी कृति की?
केमिस्ट्री तो केमिस्ट्री होती है ऑन स्क्रीन लेकिन हाँ, हम लोग ये भी इंजीनियर है, मैं भी इंजीनियर हूँ, दोनों दिल्ली से हैं। और
आप भी इंजीनियर हो?
आप भी इंजीनियर हो? आप भी आ जाओ केमिस्ट्री में। तो और दिल्ली से हैं तो बड़ी सारी बातें कॉमन थी जो बातें कर सकते थे। और
ऐसी ही है केमिस्ट्री जैसी दिख रही है एक्चुअली।
जी, तो ऐसी है।
कृति, इसकी लाइन है एवरीथिंग इज कनेक्टेड, तो इससे आप कितना इत्तेफाक रखती हैं?
I really feel like everything, like I feel that I was meant to be a part of Rabta. And you know, it's so strange that before I had signed Heropanti, I had met him for something, generally, where he had narrated me the first scene of Rabta when the story was not developed. Like he was still working on it. And he had narrated me the first chocolate shop scene of this girl and boy and how they strangely feel connected. So it's like I had not even started films back then. And then after so many years doing this film, and that too in a random meeting, just feeling that connect with the script. So everything is connected.
दिनेश, आपसे सवाल है कि खबरें थी, हमने तस्वीरें भी देखी थी कि दीपिका भी इसमें एक खास गीत करने वाली हैं।
वो आपने लास्ट शॉट देखा, कोई एक बंदा था, वो एक्चुअली दीपिका है। दीपिका है मेरे लिए, आई ऑलवेज कंसिडर दीपिका वेरी लकी फॉर मी। जब भी हमने कुछ साथ में काम किया है, वो मेरे लिए और उनके लिए वर्क किया है। सो जब मैंने उन्हें एक फ़ोन किया और उन्होंने एक्चुअली ये ओरिजिनल ट्रैक मेरी एक दूसरी पिक्चर से था जिसको प्रीतम ने रिक्रिएट किया है। तो मैंने उन्हें एक बार मुझे फ़ोन किया था अबाउट 4-5 साल पहले कि ये आपकी पिक्चर का गाना है, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है। तो मैंने उन्हें फ़ोन किया, बोला कि नो कंपल्शन, बट आप लकी हो मेरे लिए, तो राब्ता का टाइटल ट्रैक आप करेंगे। एंड द नेक्स्ट थिंग वाज शी सेड येस। उसके बाद कुछ नहीं, सीधा बुदापेस्ट था, शूट कर लिया। सो विद हर देयर इज अ कंफर्ट लेवल आल्सो।
भूषण जी, किस तरीके का म्यूजिक आप प्रोवाइड करने वाले हैं ऑडियंस के लिए इस फिल्म के द्वारा, क्योंकि दिनेश भी म्यूजिकली काफ़ी अच्छे साउंड करते हैं?
See, इसमें we have Pritam and as I told you, Dinesh, and we share that music का connect. तो म्यूजिक तो जबरदस्त होना ही है।
हेलो सुशांत, है आशी हियर फ्रॉम म्यूजिक इंडिया। सुशांत, लास्ट फिल्म आपकी जो थी 100 CR क्रॉस की थी, इस फिल्म को लेके कुछ टेंशन है हल्का सा सक्सेस को लेके?
सर, वो 100 CR मुझे तो मिले नहीं। तो जो पैसे की बात है वो शूट के पहले ही मैं कर लेता हूँ और उसके बाद मैं पैसों के बारे में सोचता नहीं। तो मेरा काम जो होता है वो एंजॉय करना होता है जब मैं काम कर रहा होता हूँ, और होप कर रहा होता है कि जब आप फिल्म देंगे तो आप भी एंजॉय करें, तो मैं वही कर रहा हूँ।
हेलो, यहाँ इधर राइट। मेरा सवाल है कि ये जो राब्ता वाली फीलिंग है, ये नेगेटिव में भी आती है कि ओनली पॉजिटिव में आती है? मतलब लव में ही आती है कि वो हेट वाला जो पिछली ज़िंदगी में होता है वो भी आता है?
मुझे लगता है कि जो ग्रेटेस्ट विलन्स या द डार्केस्ट इमोशन प्यार से ही आता है। अभी जब प्यार टूटता है तो उसको आप कैसे लेते हैं डिफाइंस आप कौन है। सो अगर बहुत सारा प्यार नहीं हो तो बहुत सारी नफरत हो ही नहीं सकती। तो मुझे लगता है नफरत भी प्यार से कनेक्टेड है।
और मतलब अभी आप लोग स्टार्स हैं और आप लोग काफ़ी लोगों से मिलते हैं, तो कभी ऐसा हुआ कि ये जो राब्ता वाली फीलिंग है ये किसी को देख के आई हो? अगर आप लोग कोई कमेंट करना चाहते हो तो।
See, like I said, Rabta is not necessarily कि romantic angle ही होना चाहिए, कोई भी तरह का connect होना चाहिए। I feel I had a Rabta with him also. Like I feel first time I met him, it didn't feel like the first time. We were chatting for like 2-3 hours, and he started narrating me one script, then other script, like that. So I feel Rabta is like just a connection which can be friendly. It can be with your puppy. It can be with anything, anyone. So yeah, वो तो
आपका क्वेश्चन आंसर करने के लिए, जब शिव और सायरा, नॉट सुशांत एंड कृति, मेरे ऑफिस में पहली बार मिले, उनका कुछ राब्ता था। ओके
और भूषण जी का संगीत हमेशा हिट रहा है। लाइक सनम के गाने अभी भी लोग लाइक करते हैं, तो इस फिल्म के संगीत को लेकर हम लोग कितनी उम्मीद कर सकते हैं?
अभी वही क्वेश्चन हमने आंसर किया ना, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग म्यूज़िक है, प्रीतम का म्यूज़िक है और दिनेश और हमने मिलके बनाया है म्यूज़िक। एंड आप सुनेंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा, एक गाने की तो झलक आपने सुनी होगी ट्रेलर में।
थैंक यू।
It signifies something for which you'll have to watch the film. It's also there in the trailer.
Yeah, it's a lot there in the trailer.
बहुत सारा खून भी है पिक्चर में।
तलवारें उसने ऐसे करी हैं, उसका जो स्प्लैश है वो आ गया।
कृति एंड सुशांत, आपसे सवाल है
हाय
आपके सामने। आप दोनों पिछले जन्म की लव स्टोरी पे बिलीव करते हैं रियल लाइफ?
पिछले जन्म की लव स्टोरी आई डोंट नो, बट आई डू बिलीव इन connections, and somewhere I think through the film I started believing in reincarnation a little. What was that book? Many Lives, Many Masters. So that's what, because Saira, my character, does eventually believe in it. So I started reading that, and whatever I read, it felt like it would be true. So I do believe that, you know, बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि हम किसी से मिलते हैं और जिस देख कर या वाइब से आपको वो अच्छा लगता है, आपको वो नहीं अच्छा लगता है. So I do believe somewhere you do have probably a past connection with that person, which is why you get that vibe.
नहीं, मैं रीइंकार्नेशन पे बिलीव नहीं करता. मैं कभी कभी जीते हुए इस लाइफ पे भी बिलीव नहीं करता, तो मैं पूछ लेता हूँ आसपास रियल में हो रहा है कि नहीं. बट नहीं, मैं करता नहीं हूँ. बट ये वही मैंने बात बोली थी कि स्टोरी इतनी अच्छी है कि जब आप इसे देखेंगे, और जब मैं सुन रहा था और कर रहा था, तो आप इस पे बिलीव करना चाहेंगे. और बस ये
ये पिक्चर एक्चुअली इज़ नॉट अ टिपिकल वो पुनर्जन्म रीइंकार्नेशन काइंड ऑफ फिल्म. जब ये पिक्चर दोनों नज़रिए को देखती है, अगर आप बिलीव करते हैं और अगर आप नहीं बिलीव भी करते हैं. सो उसके लिए आपको पिक्चर देखनी पड़ेगी. बट ये दोनों पॉइंट्स ऑफ व्यू, बिकॉज मुझे लगता है दो ही टाइप के पीपल हैं, एक जो बिलीव करते हैं और नहीं बिलीव करते हैं. So, ये दोनों पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू को होपफुली हमारा इंटेंट रहा है कवर करने के लिए.
सुशांत और कीर्ति, इस तरफ आप दो लाइफ जी रहे हैं. आप जैसे फिल्म में एक तरफ आप कॉमन हैं, शिव बने हैं, आप बनी हैं, और सेकेंड लाइफ में आप राजा रानी बने हैं. कौन सा कैरेक्टर आपने ज़्यादा एंजॉय किया, आसान रहा?
आसान तो मैं नहीं कहूँगा, क्योंकि डिफ़िकल्ट तो तब लगेगा जब आपको काम करना पसंद नहीं है, लेकिन आपको करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि आप कुछ और चाहते हैं. मैं जो काम करता हूँ उसके लिए मैं दूसरों को पैसे दे सकता हूँ, लेकिन बहुत ही फॉर्चुनेटली मुझे मिलता है. दोनों ही कैरेक्टर जो हैं बहुत ही ऑपोजिट हैं, और इसीलिए आई थिंक दिस इज़ द रीज़न वाई दे आर देयर इन द फिल्म. और क्योंकि ये दोनों इतने ऑपोजिट थे, और फॉर्चुनेटली इन दोनों के बीच में मुझे 2-3 महीने का टाइम भी मिला था, तो दोनों में बड़ा मज़ा आया. क्योंकि आप एक एक्सट्रीम तक जाते हैं, फिर दूसरे एक्सट्रीम तक जाते हैं, और जब बदलाव ज़्यादा होता है तो फिर मज़ा ज़्यादा आता है.
Sushant,
I think I think I kind of probably spent a little more time thinking about Saira. So, the present character. So, for me, I got very attached to her, I felt. And which is why I started really enjoying when I was playing Saira. And Saiba, which is the other character, on the other hand, I feel was, because I didn't have any reference and it was another time, it was obviously a little more difficult to understand कि वो कैसी होगी, क्योंकि वो आज की लड़की नहीं थी. So that was a little more difficult, but enjoy, if you say, I enjoyed Saira much more.
नॉर्मली राजा रानी को जब हम सोचते हैं उनके बारे में, तो एक बहुत सारे हैवी कपड़े होते हैं, ढेर सारे गहने होते हैं, बट ये राजा रानी थोड़ी सी डिफरेंट है. आप क्या कहेंगे?
कपड़े पसंद नहीं करते.
ये थोड़े डिफरेंट टाइप के राजा रानी हैं, थोड़े अलग हैं. और एक्चुअली जब आप देखेंगे तो ये एक्चुअली जब वापस जाएंगे कौन राजा है कौन रानी है, ये सब बदलता है. सोच आपके लिए खूब पिक्चर देखनी पड़ेगी, वरना मैं बता दूंगा तो आप आएंगे नहीं. फिर
फिल्म ट्रेलर बहुत अच्छा लगा. एक थोड़ा सा अलग सवाल है. कुलभूषण जाधव की रिहाई को लेकर सोशल नेटवर्किंग साइट पर ढेर सारी चीज़ें हो रही हैं, आप लोग कमेंट करना चाहेंगे? कुलभूषण जाधव जो कि पाकिस्तान की जेल में जिनको डेथ पेनल्टी सेंटेंस की गई है, उसको लेकर सोशल नेटवर्किंग साइट पर ढेर सारी बातें की जा रही हैं, आप लोग कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? अप टू यू.
जहाँ हम जिस बात करने आए हैं अभी, ये टॉपिक को डिस्कस करना एक्चुअली करेक्ट नहीं होगा.
Sushant, hi, straight. Yeah. Hi. If I'm not wrong, this is the first time you would be trying your hands on action. actions. If you can tell us something on that.
Oh yes, no, I was trying my hands-on action long back also, but it was just a part of training. Never got an opportunity to do it in any of the films that I've done. Yeah, this was a great opportunity, and me and Dino went to Bangkok for this, and I remember that the choreographer, Kicha, the guy, the choreographer, he did some very interesting choreography, which we really liked, but at the same time we thought that we can still push it further. And so in a day's time, he just completely took it to some other level. And we stayed there and we practiced a lot. And
he's being, you know, he's being a little modest. Generally, he always says a lot how good he is. But even I didn't know that he's actually he's very good. He's never done action, but he's very good with the sword. And actually, when we were shooting this, we faced some ridiculous weather. First day, it kind of fully rained out and we couldn't shoot. And I was getting, I started like any director, I would get edgy. I get more edgy than most people. And then the next day, I remember there was this much water where there was supposed to be just this much water on like a bridge, and there was a deep drop on both sides. And he was supposed to do this whole choreographed action, and everyone said to call it quits. And I went to him and he looked at me and I looked at him and he said, "Karte hain?" So I said, "Haan, karte hain." And I had an injury on my leg, so I tied some plastic and we both walked in. And the sequence actually looks much better when you see in the film, purely because of how much water there was. So sometimes trying to make the most of adversity gives you a better result. So his training and action, if there was anyone else, I wouldn't be able to shoot. So I'm really happy with that he had been smart enough to do this. Unknowingly, that he felt he was going to do Rapta one day, so he had learned it.
Same, Kriti, with you. Was it easy, difficult to do action?
She's the most clumsy person in the world. I can do a video of how many times she's fallen. She's fallen in Budapest, she's fallen in Croatia, she's fallen in Mauritius. She didn't come to Amritsar, otherwise she would have fallen there.
And he's been completely heartless about it. He's like, "Arey, phir gir gayi. Chad chahta uske upar, chada kyun nahi tu?" He's been like that. But yeah, I have to say, action, although, you know, I've always been wanting to do it, and I loved doing it, whatever little bit. I've not done as much because there's just a small section in which I have a smaller section which I'm doing action in that. But I think I really enjoyed it. I think somewhere it does make you feel stronger, firstly, in a way. And yeah, it is tough, especially the place that we were shooting in. But if given an opportunity, I would want to learn more and do more.
सुशांत, मेरा सवाल आपसे है, दोनों से, कृति मैम, आप दोनों से है।
एक तो वैसे ही नहीं दिख रहा, ऊपर से आप और नीचे जाके बैठ गए।
आवाज आ रही है, बोले।
मेरा सवाल आप दोनों से है। सवाल आप दोनों से है। हाल ही में एक सबसे बड़ी डिबेट चल रही है बॉलीवुड में कि फेयरनेस क्रीम को लेके, तो आपका इस पर स्टैंड क्या है कि बड़े बड़े सेलिब्रिटी एंडोर्स करते हैं और कहते हैं कि 15 दिन में आप गोरे बन जाएंगे, तो आप लोगों का स्टैंड कैसे है? और आप
नहीं होना चाहिए ऐसा किसी भी या किसी भी I mean, like, this is as a responsible probably actors or as a responsible citizen, we should not in any ways endorse or prefer one tone of skin over the other.
Actually, I am the after picture and he's the before picture.
Sushant?
हाँ, अच्छा 15 दिन दे मुझे.
Sushant, Kriti, towards your left. Hi, the trailer looks amazing. आप दोनों की chemistry बहुत अच्छी लग रही है on screen. Who broke the ice first? Because you both are working for the first time. Who broke the ice?
There was no need to break any ice. As I said, the first time when we met in the old Maddock office and we were doing this one scene, we didn't know each other at all. But somehow, while doing the scene, it just became very organic.
And of late, आपकी जो on-screen chemistry.
One minute. I think you shouldn't have ducked that question on national interest because it was not a personal question. I heard you telling him that, you know, let's not answer this. I think it's a question of national interest. Yes. And I think.
But I think somebody should not give his or her opinion if he or she is not like very well informed about the topic, because it is a sensitive thing. So you need to be very Ma'am, can you at least allow me some time to?
I'm saying that question was of national interest. All you had to do as Indians was to condemn what Pakistan is doing, or not condemn it if you.
That's exactly what I'm saying.
But let me finish. But it was not a personal question that you should be ducking. So
Now, ma'am, we got your question. All right, we got your question now. But to say yes, condemn, or no, condemn, you need to be responsible enough to know the facts related to it.
Maybe we haven't read enough to be able to give a proper answer.
Why is it so wrong? Should I ask you like few questions? Would you answer all the questions? Should I ask you like questions about national interest? Would you know all the answers?
First and foremost, I'm not a public figure standing.
So there is nowhere written that a public figure should know everything about.
I don't know why you're turning it into a personal banter between us.
But let's.
Yes. Any of you on stage could have said.
No, we.
I don't know how many of you agree with me, but I just.
All right. Any other questions?
Sushant, Kriti, right here, on your left. Yeah, on your right. Sorry. I just like we're talking about Rabta. So, as a Kriti to you, as a person, would you be more connected to Sushant as a person, or his character in the movie? Who do you feel you have more connect to?
More connect with?
Yeah.
I think I can say both, yeah, because I know both so well. I think we've lived with the script so much. What?
I'm real.
Yeah, but I connect with Shiv also. I've been Saira. See, obviously I know him much better because I've known him like in and out through the shoot. But Shiv, of course, it's a character, so whatever we could, whatever the directors put on the script and whatever he's as an actor put in front of me as Shiv, I know only that. So I connect with both, but yeah, obviously he's a real person, so I connect a little more with him.
Another debate that is going on.
Me? About me?
Yeah, I want him to
I
answer
connect
as
with
well.
pretty more than the fictional characters.
Okay. Just one last question. One more debate that has been going on in the industry is about the nepotism that is in the industry. Both of you are not from the filmy background. So have you guys faced it when you were starting out?
I think I just answered this question only yesterday when I said that almost all the films that I've done and all the films that I'm doing in the next 1.5 years, these are the films that I really wanted to do. Out of many options, I had this luxury of choosing these films. So from a personal point of view, I cannot complain. But having said that, it is not there. It is not that it's not there. It's there, and it's everywhere in all sorts of industry, just not Bollywood. And I feel that nepotism can peacefully coexist with the fact that if you just don't, if you allow new talents from outside to flourish and encourage them, then there's no problem with nepotism. But if you don't allow that, then there is a problem, and I think that the whole structure of the industry would collapse in some time.
Hi, Sushant. Well, you guys are looking absolutely stunning together. You know, amazing stuff. And I'm sure we all loved the trailer. And वो हमने acknowledge कर भी दिया है यहाँ पे. So that's all we have for you, ladies
just one
and gentlemen.
final question,
Thank you
please,
so much.
if I may.
Sir, let me decide, sir, please.
Excuse
We'll have
me,
a quick photo op. With
one
due
last
respect,
question.
sir. We'll take.
Let's take the last question.
आपने कहा हुआ?
Yeah.
Yes,
Hi.
sir.
Hi, Sushant. The title is so, Rabta, it just cannot be a connect with any physical connect. Like, you keep writing these self-using, and like people like me find a strong connect with that. And there's also one more gentleman, Shekhar Sumanu, who keeps writing these...
Shekhar Kapoor.
Sorry, Shekhar Kapoor, who keeps writing these wonderful pearls of wisdom. So what I wanted to know was that, this self-using, is it a result of your camaraderie with Mr. Kapoor?
Probably yes, because I think before I met him, when we were preparing for this film, unfortunately, that didn't get made, which was Pani, I think I was quite rigid as far as my point of views were concerned, very opinionated. And what he did to me in those 6-7 months was to convince me that there is just not one right way of looking at things and doing things, but it just depends on your perspective. And anything could be right, anything could be wrong.
Thank you so much. We'll have a quick photo op, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, over to you. Yeah, आप लोग wait कर रहे थे, I know.
if everyone doesn't know, Kriti, for the movie Saira, actually I should say, right? I should say Saira. For the movie, बहुत practice करी है, बहुत learning किया है आपने. So for the movie Rapta, which is definitely releasing, it's releasing on the 9th of June. So of course everyone's going to go and watch that. But let's unfold all the secrets. कि क्या सीखना पड़ा आपको? पापड़ नहीं बेलने पड़े, chocolate बनाना पड़ा, I think. So tell me, how was your experience about chocolate?
I think firstly, I'm a person who does not like cooking. I hate cooking. So when I so please आप चुप हो जाइए ना, बहुत बोल रहे हो. मेरे से ज़्यादा आपकी आवाज़ आ रही है. Sorry. So I sort of I'm someone who does not like cooking. तो जब मुझे पता चला कि मुझे चॉकलेट बनानी है और मुझे चॉकलेट बनाना सीखना है, तो मैं थोड़ा सोच रही थी कि ओ गॉड कैसे होंगी ये क्लासेस. But it was so much fun. I had so much fun, I think, doing everything. And to my surprise, Rakhi told me on the first session that your hand moves well. You know, you get the groove of
बहुत
it.
मेहनत कराई ना मैंने.
And the best thing about chocolate making is that you're surrounded with the chocolate smell, which keeps you going all the time. And it's fascinating to see how these different wonderful chocolates and what kinds of chocolates are there. Because मेरा जो character है वो एक chocolate shop चलाती है, Saira. Chocolates बनाती है. We even have montages of shots of me making chocolate in my chocolate shop. And Saira को हमने थोड़ा सा मैंने थोड़ा सा जो पुराने स्टाइल्स और पुरानी चीज़ें पसंद करती है मेरे दिमाग में ट्रेडिशनल मेरे दिमाग में ये बैक स्टोरी थी कि she has inherited the chocolate shop from one of her aunts. And वो चॉकलेट शॉप भी जो है वो थोड़ी ट्रेडिशनल दिखती है, उसके तरीके जो हैं वो थोड़े ट्रेडिशनल हैं. But I think I really enjoyed the whole process, which is what makes all the difference. And to look like someone who makes chocolates, we had to go through a lot.
So tell me, how was your experience finally?
It was very good, and I love she teaches like a बच्चा, बच्चे को जैसे सिखा रहे हैं छोटी छोटी details, and she used to tell me like every small detail about the kinds of chocolates and what you're making, what is the difference between one and the other.
Question coming up for you. Kind of chocolate. ये technical question है, मैं test करना चाहती हूँ मेरी student कितनी अच्छी है. So tell me, what are the kinds of chocolate?
So there's compound chocolate, and there's Coacher chocolate.
Okay, so what is compound and what is Coacher? देख रहे हैं
It's like
test
an
हो रहा है,
exam
exam हो रही है. Yes, of course. ये exam आपको pass करना है क्योंकि मैं fail हो जाऊँगी.
Yeah, so the compound chocolate is basically the run-of-the-mill, the generic chocolate that we all have. It is made up of cocoa and fats and other stuff. It does not require tempering. Now tempering is something that जो प्योर चॉकलेट होती है उसको मेल्ट करके एक टेम्परेचर तक, which is about 42 degrees तक लेके जाना होता है. Then you cool it down to about 32 degrees. Approximately. And that's when it sets. That's the setting temperature.
But did you do this technique? I don't think so.
Not there. So the compound chocolate is easier to handle because it does not require tempering. मैं लेमन लैंग्वेज में अगर बोलूँ तो आप बहुत बार एक चॉकलेट कोई खाते हैं जो छूने से ही ऑलमोस्ट मेल्ट हो जाती है. So that's more pure. That's made out of cocoa beans. And the compound chocolate has fats and other things
more
too.
color and everything. But जो pure chocolate होता है उसमें cocoa solids ज़्यादा होता है, which is made from the beans. So the percentage भी दिया जाता है. So when Kriti came, we worked with 53. No, you can go up to 80, 90. But when Kriti came to me, there was this challenge. When Saira is inheriting this shop, जो उसके aunt का है और ये बहुत traditional shop. So अगर हम लोग technically modern way में अगर chocolate tempering करते हैं, you need a tempering machine. आपको laser gun चाहिए होता है to see the temperature. हम temperature देखते हैं chocolate का, which she didn't learn, and she learned it the traditional way, जो सिर्फ touch or
I'm actually going to do tempering in front of you guys, so you will know how it's going to be. But tempering मेरा जो favorite part था chocolate making का वो था, और मुझे बहुत मज़ा आता था tempering करने में. I think you would see the smile on my face when I'm doing it in front of you. It's even shown in the film. I don't know. In a lot of montages, there's one montage where me and Sushant are actually taking the doing tempering, and he's holding my hand and he's making a mess out of it. But
better be better over there at that. Huh?
Yeah.
So that's one well answered question. Tell me, when you went back after training, she took around कितने classes लिया आपने?
I think 5 classes, including one that brush up class that we had at the end.
How to check? She wanted to be like a nice wizard. Can you please test me कि बराबर?
I actually want to brag about something. Because I learned it so well here.
Yes.
When I went to Budapest, they got one trainer there as well.
Yes.
One instructor there. And they said कि यार, you know, वो scene करना है तो आप एक बार जाके ना थोड़ा brush up करा. And I went there, and trust me, I did everything on my own, and she was surprised, and she's like, you don't need me.
Thank you so much. That feels great. I mean, later on top of the world, I remember when you met me back over here in Mumbai, you told me this. It was like the best.
And she was so sweet, because when I was in Budapest, she used to message me, how's it going? Did the chocolate making happen? You know, how did those scenes go? What all did you do? So she was more enthusiastic about it than even I was.
Yes, I was. I remember I was really happy about it, and you did a fantastic job. We're going to show them कि हमने क्या किया. So tell me, did you, when you went back, आपने कितनी training और करी? And did Sushant and Dinu like it? Did you make them try?
Once again, they used to enjoy all the chocolates that I used to make here. I used to take boxes of chocolates that I tried making here, and they all used to enjoy at the Maddock office very nicely. I think somewhere me and Sushant kind of started bonding only on chocolates.
Oh,
because he loves chocolates. So yeah.
So you're the next chocolatier in Mumbai, is it?
Yeah, probably. I think
After
it's
that.
one dessert that I can make.
Okay, great. That's amazing. So, so should we get started?
Yeah, I think let's start with the tempering. I think this needs to be heated up once more.
Okay, so the student has learned really well. So the technique that she is explaining, we are going to show the tempering of the chocolate. हम थोड़े truffles भी बनाने वाले हैं, right? Okay, so इसे मैं temper में से heat कर लेती हूँ. थोड़ा सा microwave में यहाँ शेफ आ रही है. Why don't you grab your pencil now?
Yes. So going on the traditional way and going as Saira, I have to take off all the rings that I'm wearing. You cannot be wearing all this when you're cooking, especially. And deliberately, I've had my hair back because she would have scolded me otherwise.
And all those lovely rings.
Yes.
You just take it.
I've taken off my shoes, I've taken off my rings.
बस थोड़ा सा है शेफ. Okay, ये एक बहुत ट्रेडिशनल मेथड है as you see. So इसलिए हम लोग अपना surface clean रखते हैं. And she's going to show you कैसे किया जाता है ये. You need a marble or a granite surface.
Cool it down basically because that's cold.
Yeah. Student has learned really well. सारे answers सही जवाब.
I'm a quick learner. I used to be like, even in my BTech and my college and school, I used to be like, I have to know all the answers. I freak out otherwise. I'll just put the knife and give the chocolate
You remember this?
Yeah, but I don't want to use it.
Yeah, but we'll just counteract and show them.
Yeah.
So let's see. I'll just change if you can put it.
This is the best part. It just looks so yum. Wait,
No worries. So हमने ये technique नहीं use की थी. She'll show you with the look and feel. Is it hot enough?
It feels like I don't want to make it. So you basically just nicely spread it. Am I doing it? I'm doing it after ages. Huh?
Yes. Perfect. So what she's doing is basically spreading it ताकि वो अच्छे से cool down हो जाए. And जैसे ही वो thick होने लगता है, look, she's working like a professional. And वो thick होने लगेगा. Yeah.
Already started.
Yes. And
I think this is the last one I'm doing.
yes, I know. So she's already understood it. Where are you going to check and tell them?
I will just do it.
What's your checking point? Yes.
Yeah, I can feel it here.
Yeah. So this is your most sensitive part, as you see, and the lip. So do you wanna You tried?
Yeah.
Okay.
Almost with it.
Yeah. Okay. So there you go. So because ये हमारा sensitive part है, this is how she learned. आप देख सकते हैं chocolate thick हो गया. So she could recognize without me even taking the temperature that ये setting point पे आ चुका है. So then this chocolate can now go into a mold. Should we make something out of it now? कुछ bars आप लोग देखना चाहेंगे कुछ chocolate बनाते हुए इसके बाद?
Let's make bars.
Yeah, bars बनाए. चलिए बनाते हैं.
Not bars.
Yeah, चलिए. कुछ tasty which even they should be able to taste कि आपने क्या chocolate बनाया है. Yeah, the bowl is small and you're too tall for our workstations. Good job. देख सकते हैं आप हमारे स्टूडेंट ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है.
And as you say, let us not waste the chocolate.
Of course, because it's very good and expensive chocolate as well.
And because I want to shop, it's my daily thing.
Yes. So did Shatan come to buy chocolates in the movie? We need to know this. Yeah.
Yeah, he does.
ये story बताइए ना क्या हुआ था.
इतनी story वो actually पहली बार मिलते ही chocolate shop में है. So chocolate shop is like a very important part. And it's one of the scenes. It's one of the scenes in my intro basically, where I'm making chocolate and it just gives you a nice Saira vibe, I would say. That making chocolates and I tempered in the first in the intro.
And he walks in at that time.
He actually walks in when I'm washing the dishes.
Oh, okay, lovely.
But he because
सारा
he loves
बहुत
chocolate.
मेहनत करती है पिक्चर में basically.
Yeah.
इतना सारा काम सीखा है सायरा ने. Actually कृति ने. Okay, so this is done. Let's make the bars. Yes, you So guys, we're making a smaller version and showing you. हमने जब ऐसे बनाए थे rustic bars, you remember? हमने tray में बनाए थे rustic bars. ये सारे hand molded chocolates हैं जो बनाए हैं हमने. You remember? We didn't make anything in shells and all. So the shop is very traditional. तो सारे rustic चीजें बनाई हैं.
We actually made some bonbons as well.
Yes.
Made truffles, we made bonbons.
You wanna tap that a little? That's okay. Don't worry. You can use that also. You want to get rid of the bubbles by tapping them down? So she's tapping out all the bubbles, that's why.
Almost gone.
और इसको clear भी कर देंगे.
My hands have become so dirty.
So that's what a chocolate here is supposed to be, no? Yes. Yeah. So इसको attractive बनाने के लिए
To try.
whatever you like.
So let's start with almonds. Let's start with some almonds. Spread it nicely. And a few marshmallows. I just love the way they look here. They just add a little color. Raisins?
You can use cranberries and make it nice and attractive.
more
yeah.
colourful.
Yeah. They need to see the colors what Saira is bringing onto the chocolate, you see. तो Saira के लिए कैसे बनाते हैं Saira?
I think enough. Because if I add too much, it will become like a mess. Maybe 1, 2.
ये हाँ place करके nicely. So जो gaps है वहाँ पे perfect.
Yeah. Should we tap it again?
Yeah. थोड़ा yeah. Is that good enough, guys? You wanna pose with that? अब इसको हम set करेंगे in the fridge. हमारे पास glass जो है directly डाल सकते हैं. You pass it from here to somewhere.
I think it's standing on board.
Yes. Perfect.
Yeah?
Lovely. Yeah. What else can you put over this, Kriti? हम इसके ऊपर और attractive बना सकते हैं कुछ?
We can sprinkle some crystals if you have.
Okay, testing you again. Testing you.
I think we can sprinkle some crystals.
So did you actually make these for the for the movie?
For the movie, actually, we didn't have so much space that we could actually show a lot of chocolates. But I did roll the truffles in the cocoa powder, which looks really nice.
Which you have to do today
Yes,
also
yes,
because
we
they
will,
need to
we
see
will.
what you
We
learned.
will. Yeah.
Okay. So अब इसे set कर दें? चलो. So
yeah.
now at this stage the chocolate needs to go for setting in the fridge. तो हम इसे भेज देते हैं. आप लोग ये taste करना चाहेंगे? Everyone? Yes? Okay. Great. Later. Set हो जाए. बहुत सारे पर chocolate भी बहुत है. Don't worry.
हमने pre-set करके भी रखी हुई है आप लोगों के लिए.
हाँ. So that's all will be taken care of. आप टेंशन ना करें. So should we move on to the next thing?
Yes.
चलिए. तो हम बनाते हैं. अभी क्या बनाना है आपको? Truffles. Truffles क्या करना है?
I think we can, we can probably roll some truffles. So,
Silence please, not Machi Market. Silence please, only for media.
इसमें निकालेंगे.
So I'm sure you I'm sure you kind of have more questions for me on the truffles.
Yes, I do. So मुझे बताइए truffles कैसे बनते हैं?
So truffles are basically a combination of chocolate and cream ganache, which you cool it and you set it, and then you make these chocolate balls out of it, which I used to call laddus actually because she hates it when I call it laddus. But मुझे ना याद आता था बहुत पहले बचपन में मेरी मॉम जो है वो बेसन के लड्डू बनाती थी और जब वो बनाती थी तो मैं उनके साथ कभी कभी लग जाती थी. मुझे बहुत मज़ा आता था वो बेसन से हाथ में रोल करके लड्डू बनाना.
तब आपको लगा था कि आप बाद में भी कुछ में वेस्टर्न लड्डूस बनाने वाले हैं?
नहीं, मुझे नहीं लगा था. मुझे नहीं लगा था, लेकिन मुझे बहुत मज़ा आता था ये बनाने में. And I used to do it like I was doing it long back with my mom.
One thing I must say, she's a very dedicated learner. तो शांति में she said, and I remember you used to have a very hectic regime.
Yeah.
So she was learning, she was doing horse riding, and there was something else.
Swimming. There was
there was
weapon training.
एक और कुछ very vigorous like martial arts you were doing.
Yeah, martial arts.
Exactly. So she had training all of this, and in that day she was doing these simple, nice, and very earthy chocolates also. And
so I used to start with swimming in the morning, early morning, come to chocolate making in the afternoon, then go for a little bit of martial arts, and then go for horse
So
riding.
basically हम राफ्ता में सायरा के बहुत सारे रूप देखने वाले थे.
Saira and Saiba actually, which is another life, another time.
Okay.
yeah.
So that's the twist, huh? So we are
Yes.
seeing all of this. तो आप ये सारा देखने वाले हैं. तो multi-talented है basically Saira and Saiba.
Yeah.
That's nice. Okay, so truffles का आंसर तो सही था. Full marks on that. Now let's see what we're going to do with it. So हमने ये बना के रखे हैं.
She's already made the laddus because she knew I would start enjoying it too much. So,
okay. So now you want to roll them. We can roll them in cocoa. We've got pistachio. We've got hazelnut. We've got
in this one?
Yes, in this. Yes.
So this is fairly simple. I'm just going to pick it up. So this is fairly simple. You just simply roll it till it gets fully covered. And you can see these here.
But इसका एक special flavor था that you used to use.
I used to love sea salt caramel chocolates actually, which we talk about, like I talk about as Saira in the film as well. Which is it's got this caramel flavor with chocolate with a little bit of salt. So that was my favorite, and I used to those I never took to Maddock. I used to always take them back home and have them myself. So yeah.
So let's see if we can get you some sea salt. If anyone can pass us a sea salt from there, if you'd like to relive those memories.
Sure. I'm excited with the colors right now.
Sure, go ahead. So this looks very simple, guys, but it's very difficult to make truffles. तो ये वो पूरा गनाश खुद बनाती थी, and इसे हम pipe out करके या लड्डू बना के, you have to set them in the fridge for a very long time. तो obviously हम इतनी देर आपको wait नहीं करा सकते, तो हमने ये set करके रखे हैं. They are not as simple as they look. This part is the most simplest, but making
they look beautiful.
Yeah, but making is really tough work. So that's hazelnut, and then you've got desiccated coconut, and
that's white chocolate. This one's so soft,
and we can yeah, they become soft because they've been waiting for a while for you. So don't use the white ones, you could use the other. Yeah.
Yeah, because it's become very soft.
We've kept it out for a while, no?
That's what happens in Bombay. You can't really make pure chocolate.
Yes. You've learnt well, huh? Okay. So guys, this is for you. Truffles. Should we pass this to someone over there to taste, or I think they may?
I think let's get done with the whole thing and we'll give everything.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
So
what next?
So tell me, after the movie, are you going to did you enjoy cooking and learning how to make chocolate, and
So
are
I
you going to pursue this?
I think chocolate making is probably one of the only parts of cooking that I really enjoyed. And I would love to do it once in a while. I think it's, you know, that one of those Sundays when you really feel like making something nice and having like a good dessert, a fairly simple one. And these chocolates can obviously stay in your fridge for a longer time. So yeah, I'll probably
And
send you
friends
some.
and family, are you going to be making them?
I'll probably send you also some. I was going to get my mom here, but then I knew it's going to be very crowded. So she was actually very shocked that, "Arey, you're cooking? Are you sure you will be doing it?" So yeah, she's going to see this video.
So I guess we've proved them now. No? Have we proved it, guys? Have you all seen her talent as a chocolatier now?
It's Saira, yeah. Saira जो है वो चॉकलेट शॉप में एक चॉकलेट शॉप चलाती है, वो चॉकलेट्स बनाती है. एंड इनफैक्ट शिव और सायरा पहली बार उसकी चॉकलेट शॉप में मिलते हैं. तो ऑफ कोर्स दैट इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट एंड बिकॉज आई वॉज प्लेइंग समवन हु मेक्स चॉकलेट्स एंड हम थोड़ा बहुत दिखा रहे हैं सायरा को चॉकलेट बनाते हुए. तो इट वॉज इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर मी टू डू इट लाइक अ प्रो. एक और सीन है जिसमें आपने एक मोन्टाज देखा होगा जिसमें सुशांत और मैं दोनों चॉकलेट लेकर कर रहे हैं. वो किसी को समझ में नहीं आया होगा है क्या, बट दैट वाज टेम्परिंग एंड मैं टेम्परिंग कर रही होती हूँ और ही जस्ट जॉइन्स मी इन इट. So there were these two scenes which were a part of the
What I would make out of that is she was my student and he became her student. Learning how to
No,
temper.
he was only concentrating on chocolate, that's all.
Okay, I'm not on you?
I think when chocolate was there, probably not on me also.
Okay. So no, but you know, I think you need to understand that even though it's the shop, she actually went through the training to make it look natural, and you know, she needed to play the part really well. So लगे हाथ तो सीख भी लिया.
Chocolate is an aphrodisiac. So was it like an added?
Sorry?
It's also kind of like an
Aphrodisiac.
Aphrodisiac. So was it an added advantage, you know, get a chemistry on board for the film or something like that? Did you feel that?
I don't think it kind of added to the chemistry. I think we didn't need the chocolate to add to the chemistry.
I like that.
But yeah, it's something, as I said, it's a very important scene. Where he comes to the chocolate shop. So it's always nice to sort of establish you know, the characters with their professions as well. Especially chocolate making is something she sort of finds her peace in. You know, it makes her happy. She starts her day with it. When she's going back, you know, we made sure कि जो scenes थे जिसमें मैं अपनी chocolate shop बंद करके जा रही हूँ, I had boxes. So normally आप chocolate बनाते हो तो जो chocolate बच जाती है आप उनको लेके जाते हो. And you sometimes, depending on the chocolate, you can remelt it, you can you know, turn it into another kind of chocolate, you can refrigerate it and stuff. So we did pay attention to all those small details.
And how big a chocolate fan are you?
I love chocolates. I love desserts in general, but chocolates, anything to do with chocolates, I used to love. I think probably that was one of the main attractions for me for this class, that I would get to eat a lot of chocolates.
And while shooting, did Sushant put his hand on the chocolate bar? Because we see him in a very fit avatar in the film and normally also.
Oh, he loves desserts more than anybody else. Like, I think if he ever is a little low, all you need to do is give ice cream or chocolates to him and he gets happy.
But I think chocolate is good. In fact, it's a good antioxidant. And if you realize and if you see the movie, you'll see that they have actually done a lot of vigorous training. So वो balance out हो जाता है ना अगर थोड़ा chocolate ले
Oh, he works out a lot, but he loves desserts.
This Friday Wonder Woman is releasing in Hollywood. So I would like to know who is the Wonder Woman in your life?
I guess my mom, I would have to say, because she's someone, मुझे याद है, you know, she's someone who's, she used to continue studying, you know, when I was born, she was doing her PhD. And she managed to do her PhD with, you know, having a child and taking care of the child as well. She is one of, I think the first person in her family who sort of went for a job उस टाइम पे उस ज़माने में होता था कि लड़कियां क्या करेंगी जॉब करके, क्या करना है इतना पढ़ के, बट शी डिड इट बिकॉज शी वांटेड टू. एंड आई थिंक शी इज़ समवन हु रियली इंस्पायर्स मी इन एवरी वे. आई रिमेंबर कभी कभी मैं लेट हो जाती थी अगर स्कूल के लिए और मेरा एग्ज़ाम है, तो मेरी मॉम कार चलाकर मुझे छोड़ने जाती थी और मुझे टाइम पे पहुंचा देती थी कुछ भी करके. सो आई यूज्ड टू टेल हर दैट यू आर अ सुपर वुमन, हाउ डू यू डू दिस, एंड आई थिंक शी इज़ वन.
If we talk about the promotion, how is it going? Because every day we see an update from your end, either you are in Ahmedabad or in Pune or somewhere else. So how is the promotion going?
It's going good. It's obviously now it's 9 days for Rabta, I think. 9 or 10? 9 days.
And today is going very chocolatey, I think.
Yeah. So it's going very well. We're trying to sort of reach out to as many people and, just connect with them, have fun with them, talk to them about the film, make them aware of what the film is actually about. And I'm really happy that the songs are doing really well. I'm really happy that, songs Ek Wariya, Rabta, all of them are doing so well. And they're connecting with the audience. I keep seeing a lot of updates in even, like Insta stories of people I follow in clubs where the songs are playing in clubs as well. So that keeps us excited.
During Rabta promotions, we also see the other side of Sushant. Like, we have seen his inability to control temper. Do you think an actor?
Oh, I thought the side that that we put up yesterday.
No.
Did you see the video that we put up yesterday?
No, I was talking about the.
You must see that video.
No, what I was trying to ask is, he's often, he's unable to control his temper, and during the Rabta press conferences, what we have seen during the promotional events, too of it. Do you think an actor who is often considered as a role model should not display his erratic behavior in public?
It's very strange because I firstly have known him through the filming process when Dhoni had not released. I saw him when Dhoni was releasing and I saw him post Dhoni, and for me he's been the same person. I think it's unfortunate that things have been taken in a wrong way at the two events that you're talking about. One of them, I think, purely just saying the fact that you don't know about something is not putting off anger. It's just saying and being confident about the fact that, okay, I'm aware of the fact that I don't know fully about this topic and I'm confident enough to say it, which is absolutely fine. I don't know what went wrong at that event. I think things were taken in a very wrong way, in a different way. Sorry?
His body language.
No, but nobody can see the body language of the person who's talking at the other end, no? And the fact is that we have a mic. So if the other person is talking to us in a particular tone and you talk in that same manner on a mic, it sounds different. So it's very unfortunate that it's been taken in a wrong way, I feel. I know him as a person and he's not like that. He's not short-tempered at all. And in fact the other event तो कुछ हुआ ही नहीं था. I don't know why उसने post भी डाला था एक expression जो कहीं और से morph किया गया था. So I don't know why people do this, that they actually make the effort of going to another event's expression, copying that and pasting it on another event's expression. It's bizarre. Like I really feel, and उस time पे I know that again we were talking to a journalist with a lot of noise, and he was far away. So when you tend to talk to a person who's far away without a mic there, in a public environment, you tend to increase your volume, which sounds like aggression. So I really feel that it's not like that, and I hope people see it also like this.
And Kriti, you have a food connect. Next film is Barfi Ki Barfi.
I have a sweet connect probably.
Barfi? Now you want to run Barfi?
No, I'm not making Barfi. Don't get excited.
How's the filming going? कितना complete हो चुका है?
पूरा complete हो चुका है. In fact, I have started dubbing. मुझे राबता की promotion से time नहीं मिल रहा है ज़्यादा डब करने का, और आप लोगों से बात कर कर के आवाज़ की बैंड बज जाती है, तो वैसे भी डबिंग हो नहीं पाती है. बट फिल्मिंग पूरी कंप्लीट हो चुकी है. इनफैक्ट हमने गाने भी शूट कर लिए हैं और बहुत अच्छा दिख रहा है, बहुत अलग दिख रही है फिल्म बाकी फिल्म से जो मैंने की है. So that's again something I'm very excited about. I would love the audience to see me as a UP girl for the first time.
There is also news that you are in the race for Baghi 2, where Disha is also the lead contender. So
I am not aware of the race. I have not been approached, so I don't know anything about it. As much as I would love to work with Tiger again, I've done my first film with him. We share a special bond, but I've not been approached for this one.